Flashlights are extremely practical tools. These can do much beyond lighting your path. They are useful in a kitchen drawer or during a camping trip, and can be a lifesaver when you carry one with you. Among the flashlights that one can possess, a tactical flashlight is a must. A tactical flashlight is mainly used with firearms for lighting a target. It has defensive, offensive, comfort, and safety features that can be useful in a difficult situation. They are usually smaller and stronger than traditional flashlights. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my details. So let's jump to the video without the Number 1. Tactical flashlight with light strobe ready. Simply press and hold the mode switch on the tail cap to access the strobe mode at any time. Non-linear strobe patterns cause enhanced dizzying effects, highly effective for diffusing a tense situation. High lumen tactical flashlight. The Nidiker P10X bursts out 4000 lumen light that can reach up to 172 yards. Easy to operate with 4 brightness levels, and a strong glass breaking bezel for emergencies. USB-C rechargeable. Fast recharge the P10X via USB-C port, and enjoy 30 minutes of 4000 lumen turbo, and 350 hours runtime on low. Ready for duty with an IP68 waterproof and anti-impact protection, the P10X is ready for high-intensity tactical operations. Included is an NTH-10 tactical holster that is compatible with duty belts and MAL systems. Included in this bundle, Nidiker P10X recharge. Number 2. Feyachi FL11MB Tactical Flashlight. Durable performance. The Feyachi FL11 flashlight is made of aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, with black anodized matte finish, which makes it durable and shockproof. It has waterproof O-rings with the anti-abrasive coating so the flashlight can be used in the rainy day. Blinding brightness of virtually indestructible. Recoil-proof LED generates 1200 lumens of blinding white light and continues producing tactical level light for 4 hours, 200 meters beam. Was included 1x Feyachi FL11 Tactical Light, 1x offset mount, 1x press, switch, 1x Allen wrench, 1x instruction, 0.5-year product warranty, and 7x24 HRS friendly customer service. Easy to install. The offset mount is equipped with QD cam lock, can be quickly attached or detached structure in seconds. The Allen wrench and 4 screws to mount your LED light conveniently are also included. 2 types of switches comes with a constant on button switch and a momentary on pressure switch, 2 modes, for different tactical need. Tactical, military users will enjoy the dual switch tail cap which allows for easy single-handed. Number 3. Best Tactical Flashlight. Super Bri Slampax M2 Lure LED 1250 high lumen, decent throw, 150 meters, 4 hours runtime, wide fixed beam defined hot spot in the center, ideal for targeting deer, varmint, predator, coon, raccoon night hunting. Single mode, tactical weapon light is special, designed a single mode flashlight that can be quickly turned on and off without cycling through various modes that leave the shooter exposed. Quick detach Picatinny rail flashlight mount, 45-degree side 1, 25.4mm ring offset QD 20mm rail flashlight adapters. Pressure switch has both momentary and toggle on off. High-grade aluminum armor coated, weather, shocks and corrosion resistant, held up well to recoil impulse, and didn't cut out at all. Free 5-year warranty for whole flashlight kit, free lifetime warranty for the pressure switch. Compact size 6.2 inches long, lightweight 6.6 ounce, full-size tactical flashlights is 8 to 12 inches in length. This is only 6. Number 4. Lock mount tactical flashlight. Removable lock mount features an innovative slide rail and a mechanical lock for secure operation. Innovative push to lock magnetic remote switch for convenient and tight fit. Dedicated lock rail mount included and compatible with third-party Picatinny and Keymod mounts. The length of the pressure switch is 11.22 inch. Powered by a single customized battery, it delivers a maximum output of 1250 lumens and a 240 meter beam distance. Multifunctional stainless steel tail switch. Magnetic charging, tactical handheld operation, and remote switch compatibility. Adopts the MCC3SP magnetic charging. Number 5. Zoomable tactical flashlights with high lumens. Durable. This tactical flashlight is virtually indestructible. Made from military-grade aluminum, it's also water-resistant and strong enough to survive a 10-foot drop. Bright. The S1050's high lumen LED technology casts a wide narrow beam, making it the perfect versatile flashlight for everyday use, emergencies, and general preparedness. Value. This emergency light set includes 2 S1050 flashlights, 2 AAA battery holders, batteries not included, 2 18,650 battery tubes, and 1 user manual. Size, measuring 6.06 x 3.74 x 1.93 inches. These small flashlights work great as tactical gear or military gear. They're also the perfect handheld flashlights for outdoor activities and emergencies. Compact. Easily fit this mini flashlight in your pocket, backpack, or purse. From my end, I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the price of the product, please see my description. For any problem, please comment below. Stay up to date with our great products that makes your life so much easier.